awesome. All right, he's got to trip the sensor. Oh my gosh, Rob, I wish you were here to see this. Oh, he's trying to move. No. Hey, you got to stay there till it's done.
Sorry to get you.
Oh. Is it hot? Is it hot?
It's the cleanest you've ever been.
He's not going to have to bathe for like a week. Yeah. Does he need to back up?
Stop.
Yeah.
Then you hit it.
Aw.
Right over.
Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. Dude, oh my God, this is so awesome.
You gotta stay on it.
He has to stay on his sensor in order for it to hit him. So basically, he's causing his own car wash. Oh my dear. I'm getting wet over here. That's not fair. If he's smart, he won't. Oh my gosh. Oh, well, it's actually at the back of the car wash right now. So it's getting ready to go back up to him. You doing okay in there? Does it hurt?
A little bit.
Oh my gosh. Okay, here it goes again. Oh, he's getting hit. Here it comes. It's wax. Are you doing okay?
No.
Are you ever going to bet against Oklahoma again? Oh my gosh. Well, he's got his Texas hat on, his Texas gear on, and he's actually going to have to, when he gets out, put on his OU hat that he has to wear for a week. Oh my gosh. Are sensors working today? No, they're not. Yeah. I don't know. Are you done? You gotta... He keeps stepping off the sensor. He has to keep his foot on this sensor. Oh God, that's gotta hurt. Dude, I'm not even kidding. Oh my gosh. You're almost done. Dude, wait until you see this.